Teacher,
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. Nice to hear your voice. And I hope that everyone you are safe at home, studying sincerely every day, whatever all the teachers are taking online classes, and that all the topics you are revising because without practice, you will not improve. So always keep in mind, though the school is closed, but our education is not stopped. It is going on. So always those students are regular, punctual about their studies, attending classes. Definitely you will get surely success. So whatever the problems comes in life, that is give us good lessons. We learn something from this bad situation. So every day you have to get up early in the morning and do little bit exercise, do prayer, and always be fresh and sit in front of your online class. So once again, I welcome you in today's our online English class. So let's begin without any delay. Now always we start lesson with the introduction. Standard 7 uh, English, name of topic, transitive verbs with two objects. Name of teacher Vinayak Valvaikar. Today is Friday and date 19 March 2021. So let us start with our today's quote. Always in the beginning of the class, like a prayer, assembly, or some meditation, always we see one here quote. Now Chaitali, hello
yes,
Chaitali,
sir. Yes, sir.
read this quote of this Christian D.
Yes,
Larson.
yes, sir. Believe in yourself
Uh,
and all that you are known
hmm,
that there is something inside you that is greater than any
greater than any obstacle.
obstacle.
Any obstacle. Uh, Now Vaishnavi, can
Yes.
you tell the meaning of this quote?
Hmm.
ऑब्स्टकल म्हणजे अडथळा. हाच एक शब्द मला वाटतं नवीन आहे. सांगता येईल का कोणाला?
सर मी धनश्री.
हा सांग बरं धनश्री.
तुम्ही स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेवा आणि तुम्ही जे काय करताय त्यावरही, कारण तुमच्यात असं काहीतरी आहे जे तुमच्या कार्यामध्ये येणाऱ्या अडथळ्यांपेक्षाही मोठं आहे.
हा व्हेरी गुड. अजिबात चुकलं नाहीये, अगदी 100% बरोबर आहे. बिलीव्ह इन युअर सेल्फ, तुमच्या स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेवा. अँड ऑल दॅट यू आर, जसे तुम्ही आहात, तुमच्याकडे जे आहे त्यावर तुम्ही काय करा, विश्वास ठेवा. नो दॅट देर इज समथिंग इनसाइड यू दॅट इज ग्रेटर दॅन एनी ऑब्स्टकल. म्हणजे तुमच्या आतमध्ये असं काही आहे की ते कोणत्याही अडथळापेक्षा काय आहे, महानच तत्व आहे. म्हणजे अडथळा हा त्यापेक्षा कमीच आहे आणि तुमची क्षमता ही जास्त आहे, फक्त ती तुम्ही जाणून घ्यायला पाहिजे. आणि हा कोट आहे ख्रिश्चन डी लार्सन. बिलीव्ह इन युअर सेल्फ अँड ऑल दॅट यू आर know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. So always I tell you that whatever we explain the code, please make one separate notebook and write it in your notebook. Okay, so now I'll take the revision of the previous topic, because if you studied the previous topic, then only you can understand. Okay, so I'll ask you revision. Okay, so last time you learned the transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Okay, so now one example I write here, that is a simple one. Birds fly. Okay, now Chinmay, what type of this sentence is? Chinmay?
Intransitive.
Intransitive. Because why? Because there is
No verb.
no verb is there. There is no object.
Object.
There is no object. There is verb. Fly is a verb. See, that is what I tell you, that always fly is a verb, but there is no object. So that is what always I keep on repeating. So now he is writing a book. Now see, Astha, tell
Yes,
me
sir.
which type of this sentence?
Transitive.
Transitive. Why it is transitive? Can you tell?
Object.
Which object is there?
Book.
Okay,
book.
very good. A book. That is a book. That is a what?
Object.
Is there. Okay. So that is why it is, which one? This one, transitive. This one is transitive. Transitive. And first one, it was
Intransitive.
intransitive. Okay. So this thing you learn, intransitive and transitive. म्हणजे ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये वसुधा आपण काय म्हणतो ट्रान्झिटिव्ह आणि इंट्रान्झिटिव्हला?
समी धनश्री.
हा, सांग बरं धनश्री.
सकर्मक आणि अकर्मक.
काय म्हणतो आपण? सकर्मक आणि दुसरं काय? अकर्मक. सर्वांनी बोलू नका. अकर्मक. आपल्याला पर्यायी शब्द सुद्धा मराठी मधलं माहिती पाहिजे. ओके. तर सकर्मक अकर्मक म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये जे वाक्य ज्यामध्ये कर्म नसतं किंवा त्या कर्माशिवायही ते वाक्यला अर्थ प्राप्त होतो, गरज नसते, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इनट्रान्झिटिव्ह म्हणजे अकर्मक. बर्ड्स फ्लाय, देर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट, अँड ही इज रायटिंग अ बुक. रायटिंग इज अ वर्ब. He is a subject, and birds here is also subject. In the first sentence, only the verb and subject and verb. पहिल्या वाक्यामध्ये काय? फक्त subject आणि verb आहे, but there is no object. Whereas in second sentence, there is a subject, that is a he, karta. Then writing is a verb, and a book is object. So that is why it is called intransitive verb. There are three things: subject, then the verb, and object. So it is a sakarma. Okay. So I hope that this is our revision of the last lesson. Now let us begin today's topic. So if you do not revise anything, you will not able to understand. So today's topic, we are going to see that transitive verbs with two objects. Okay, it means in the first sentence we have seen that there was only one object, that is a book. But now some of the sentences which we are going to see, in that there are the two objects. Now see, I'll write the example here. Okay, now we have to study very properly how to find out a different grammar point. Okay, this is our sentence. Now this one is easy. Okay, now to find out the subject, which question we should ask? Which question we should ask? Who? Okay, and to find out the verb, that is in the middle, always the subject, then the verb, and then you have to ask which question? What? What did he give him? They give, what did they give him? Book.
A
So
book.
when you ask the question what, when you ask questions what, you get object. Okay, and when you ask whom also, that time also you get another object. So there are the two questions you have to ask. One, that is a what, and another whom. Sorry. Okay, so now let us see now. Now the what is here, what is your subject? What is your subject in this sentence?
They.
They is a subject. And what is verb here?
Gave.
Gave. Okay, and now to find out the first object, object number first, we have to ask the question, what did they give him?
A book.
A book.
What did they give? So what is the answer? That is a book.
They give a book.
A book. So a book is a object number one. This is the object number one. Okay, object number one. Sorry, one. And the next one. Now whom did he give this book?
Him.
Whom did they give to him?
Him.
Okay, So the him is what? The another object. So here O2, that is the object number 2. Understood? So how to find out?
Yes.
In this sentence, they is a subject, then gave is a verb. I'll write here now here once again. Now here what? They is what? Here
Subject.
subject. Then verb is which one?
Gave.
Verb. That is a gave.
Gave.
Then now object number 1. Object
A
number
book.
1.
A book.
Object number 1. Which one?
मी बोलू?
Don't talk unnecessary. आता बोलायची गरज नाहीये. And second object number 2 is what?
Him.
Him. Okay. So you understood this thing very. So when you have to find out object, first you have to ask 2 questions. What? You will get the object number 1. And when you ask the whom questions, you will get here what? Object.
Object.
That I made a mistake. I have to cut this one. Okay. There you will get another object. इकडे मी ऑब्जेक्ट लिहायच्या ऐवजी तिकडे मी whom लिहिलेलं आहे. ओके. सो हियर अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. सो what? Object number 1 and whom? Object number 2. Okay. 2. Understood? Now
Yes.
we are going to go further. Now I'll write here sentence, the next sentence, and I'll call your name. मी तुमचं नाव पुकारीन, त्यानेच उत्तर द्यायचंय. Okay. Now the next sentence, grandfather told us a story. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to ask the question. When you ask the question, who, तुम्ही who question विचारल्यावर what you will get? When you ask the question, subject. Very good. Subject. Okay. Then what? When you ask the what question? Object number
1.
Object number
1.
1. And when you ask the question, whom?
Object number 2.
Object number 2.
Object number 2.
2.
Object number 2. Okay. So this is the what we got. Now see, one by one we are going to ask questions. Now here in this sentence, okay, what is the subject? What is the subject? What is the subject?
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Okay. Grandfather is a subject.
Subject.
Okay. Then what is the verb?
Told.
Told. Very good. Verb. Now we have to ask, I have to write here very small one because it is going there somewhere else. Okay, verb. And now if you ask the question what did
Story.
grandfather tell
A story.
Story.
what
Story is first subject.
did grandfather tell
A story.
a story, sorry, right, a
Story.
story. Okay,
Sir,
so
this is the first object.
yeah, this is the object number 1. So a story, that is a object number
1.
1. Object number 1. And whom did grandfather tell story?
Us.
Us.
Us is
Whom did grandfather tell story? That answer is what? Us. That is a second object. So here us, that is the I'll write now in a short. Okay, because there is no place. So object 2. So I hope you understood this concept very properly. How to find out the subject. क्रियापद म्हणजे आपण ज्याला वर्ब म्हणतो. आणि क्वेश्चन विचारताना बघा या ठिकाणी टोल्ड आहे, दॅट इज अ व्हॉट वी आर युजिंग द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. टेल जेव्हा आपण इकडे डीड वापरतो तेव्हा टोल्डचं या ठिकाणी आपण काय करतो?
टेल
लिहितो.
वापरतो.
हे क्वेश्चन तुम्ही विचारले तर तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्ट 1 आणि ऑब्जेक्ट 2 यू विल गेट व्हेरी इझिली. सो in some of the sentences there are the 2 objects. कोणतंही पहिलं जे ऑब्जेक्ट असतं ते शेवटी असतं, पण असं काही नाहीये कारण त्याच्यामध्ये आणखीन पण बदलू शकतं. ओके, सो एव्हरीवन यू हॅव टू ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. इफ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टँड, नाउ वन मोर सेंटेन्स आय विल टेक आणि नंतर मग आपण फटाफट काय करणार आहोत. नाउ द थर्ड सेंटेन्स आय एम गोइंग टू टेक. अस्मिता wrote a letter to her aunt. Okay, so this is the third sentence. Now one by one we are going to ask questions. Okay, Nidhi, to find out the subject, which question we should ask? Chaitali?
Yes, sir.
चैताली, सब्जेक्ट ला फाइंड आउट करायला कुठला प्रश्न विचारायचा?
What?
नो नो नो, हू.
Sir,
हू
Whom?
व्हॉट नाहीये. पहिला
Who.
आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट फाइंड आउट करायचंय. तर पहिल्यांदा काय करायचंय?
Who?
हू. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज. नाउ to find out the verb, that is easy. That is after the subject always there is a verb. ही क्रिया आहे लिहिण्याची. आता क्वेश्चन विचारायचं आहे. अस्मिता wrote what?
A letter.
A letter. When you ask the question what, that is a object 1. बघा ऑब्जेक्ट 1 शेवटी आलं होतं, पण आता या ठिकाणी what. आणि whom
To her aunt.
हा
To
टू
her
नाही तर त्या ठिकाणी
Object to.
ऑब्जेक्ट टू. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट टू.
to.
इकडे कुठला प्रश्न विचारला आपण? व्हॉट प्रश्न विचारला, राईट? अँड हिअर which question did we ask? Whom. So this is easy, only you have to practice again and again. So this is a letter, that is the object 1, and her aunt is the object 2. Okay, so ऑब्जेक्ट 1 आतापर्यंत जे आपण बघितलं, ऑब्जेक्ट 1 इज द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. आपण आतापर्यंत जी वाक्य बघितली ना, ऑब्जेक्ट 1 ही काय डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, आणि ऑब्जेक्ट 2 आहे ती काय आहे? इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. प्लीज डोंट रेज युअर हँड्स, आय एम गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. कोणी कोणी रेज करू नका हात, इट डिस्टर्ब्स मी हिअर. मला ते काढावं लागतं सारखं. तर ऑब्जेक्ट 1 ला काय म्हणतात? ऑब्जेक्ट 1, किंवा त्यालाच आपण ब्रॅकेट मध्ये आपण नेहमी काय करतो? ओ आणि पुढे काय लिहितो? 1 डॅश 1. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. काय म्हणतो आपण? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, डायरेक्ट. आणि ऑब्जेक्ट 2, ऑब्जेक्ट 2 कशाला म्हणतो आपण?
Indirect object.
Indirect object.
ऑब्जेक्ट 2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये we have to write properly, that is a object 2, that is what we write there?
Indirect.
शब्द मावतो का बघूया? इनडायरेक्ट. ओके, so this we understood. Okay, I hope that everyone you understood very clearly. Okay. Now see, I am going to take now a little bit very fast revision because we have very less time. Okay, now see, Chaitali,
Yes, sir.
underline the instruction of the question, underline and label the direct and indirect objects.
Yes, sir.
First sentence.
Master Desai.
नाही, मास्टर देसाई नाही, मिसेस देसाई. मिसेस देसाई.
Mrs. Desai teach us English.
टीचेस अस इंग्लिश. याच्यामध्ये मला तू सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब आणि ऑब्जेक्ट 1 आणि ऑब्जेक्ट 2 सांगू शकते का?
हो सर.
सांग बरं, पटापट सांग, वेळ आपल्याकडे कमी आहे.
Subject is Mrs. Desai. Then verb is teach.
टीचर्स.
And first object is English. And second object is us.
Okay. Dhanashri, read second. Fast.
He brought some water for the old man.
Brought नाही, brought आहे उच्चार. पटापट सांग.
He is subject. Brought is a verb. Some water is first object, and the old man is second object.
Because what did he bring? The some water. आणि whom did bring ही फॉर कोणासाठी तर ओल्ड मॅन साठी, म्हणून ते सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट. अच्छा, आस्था तिसरं वाच पटकन फटाफट.
She paid 15 rupees to the shopkeeper.
हा, घाई करू नको, सावकाश. टेल आन्सर फास्ट.
She paid subject.
नाही 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 नाही.
She is subject.
हा
She is subject.
हा.
Object is paid 15.
नाही नाही नाही, वर्ब कुठलं?
Verb
ओके,
paid.
एक मिनिट. कोण सांगेल? वैष्णवी सांग.
Sir Piyush.
हा, पियुष सांग.
Sir,
पटकन
she
सांगा.
is subject. Sir, she
Ah.
is subject. Paid is
Ah.
object.
नाही नाही नाही,
Sorry,
पेड इज
verb.
वर्ब. पेड इज
Oh,
वर्ब.
sorry. Paid is verb.
वर्ब.
And first object is 50 rupees and second object is the shopkeeper.
Because when you ask the what did she pay, म्हटलं तर तिकडे 50 रुपीज आणि whom did she pay तर त्याचं उत्तर आहे द शॉपकीपर. ओके,
मी वाचू भूमी.
हा, भूमी वाच चौथं.
Arpita mailed her photographs to her sister. Arpita is a subject. Mail is a verb. Her photograph is a object 1 and to her sister is a object 2.
Because when she asked what did he mail तर फोटोग्राफ.
Photographs.
whom did he mail? her sister.
Her sister.
उत्कर्ष वाच बरं.
Yes, sir.
उत्कर्ष.
A guy sold his car to his neighbor. Subject is above. Sold is verb. His car is the first object. To his neighbor is second object.
Okay, very good. Now, Vaishnavi, read the following sentences.
First birds fly, second fly kites. The saucer broke. Neha broke the saucer. The water boiled. She boiled the water.
Answer सांग ना. Answer सांग. Birds birds fly. त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? सब्जेक्ट आहे आणि वर्ब आहे. देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट, राईट? तर व्हॉट टाइप ऑफ दिस वर्ब? ऑल दीज आर द इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह. आता सेकंड रीड कर आणि पटकन सांग पटापट. रीड, कंटिन्यू. एक मिनिट, याचा आवाज येत नाहीये. कोण वाचेल? चिन्मयी वाच.
Yes, sir. Read the following sentences. Birds fly, intransitive word. We fly kites, transitive verb.
ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. एक मिनिट. ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब सांगताना तुला ते सांगायचं आधी सब्जेक्ट, नंतर वर्ब आणि त्या ठिकाणी ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. ट्रान्झिटिव्ह केव्हा होतं? वेन देर इज ऑल दीज थ्री, सब्जेक्ट, देन द वर्ब आणि ऑब्जेक्ट, तरच ते होणार. पटापट सांगायचंय ते. नंतर fast.
The saucer broke.
Intransitive. Because there is no object. Okay. Fourth one.
Neha broke the saucer. Transitive. Neha subject. Broke verb. The saucer object. The water.
Okay.
Intransitive. She boiled the water. Transitive. She subject. Boil verb. The water object.
Okay, very good. Now from these sentences we learn that the some verb can be intransitive in some sentences but transitive in some other sentences. या ठिकाणी आपण काय शिकलो बघा. फ्लाय तिकडे पहिल्या ठिकाणी आहे आणि सेकंड त्याच्या खाली फ्लाय आहे, पण फर्स्ट वन इज द इंट्रान्सिटिव्ह अँड सेकंड इज अ ट्रान्सिटिव्ह. तसंच सॉसर ब्रोक, फर्स्ट वन इज इंट्रान्सिटिव्ह आणि सेकंड मध्ये काय सॉसर आहे ऑब्जेक्ट, म्हणून ट्रान्सिटिव्ह. The same thing, the water boiled, that is the intransitive because there is no object. But here she boiled the water. Okay, so there is a object. When that time we see the transitive and intransitive. Now find the transitive and intransitive that we are going to give you as a homework, because I want to explain you everything very clearly. So I took so much time, but it is necessary. Now, one by one, I'll read some few of the points for you. Okay. So now transitive verbs. A transitive verb, everyone you have to listen, has a direct object. Jane is drinking a cup of tea. I have made a sandwich. Mark is playing football. Detransitive verbs can have two objects. Detransitive म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी दोन वर्ब असतात त्या ठिकाणी दोन कर्म असतात. A direct object and an indirect object. An indirect object indicates the person or thing that receives the direct object. Jane is giving me an apple. What Jane is giving? An apple. That is a direct. Okay. And me is a indirect object. So very few time, but still I have to show you few of the things. A sentence with an intransitive verb only has a subject and a verb. आपण मगाशी बघितलं की अकर्मक म्हणजेच intransitive, त्याच्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट असतं आणि वर्ब असतं. The subject is the person or thing that is doing the action. तो काय करतो? Action करतो. Jane is smiling. Mark is sleeping. So this is the intransitive example. A sentence with a transitive verb has a subject, a verb, and a direct object. A direct object is the person or thing that is acted upon by the subject. Mark is writing a letter. David is eating a sandwich. Okay. So if you observe all these example, definitely आता आपण मगाशी बघितलं ते how to find a direct subject. Say the subject and verb followed by the question what or whom. 2a, the answer is the direct object. The verb is transitive. 2b, if there is no answer, there is no direct object. The verb is intransitive. David is eating a sandwich. 1. David is eating what or who? 2a, sandwich is the direct object. Therefore, eating is a transitive. Mark is sleeping. Mark is sleeping what or whom? त्याचं उत्तर येतच नाही. म्हणून this is also, this answer is what? Intransitive. So all these now intransitive verbs. A sentence with an intransitive verb only has a subject and a verb. Intransitive verbs often describe physical behavior or movement. Jane is laughing. Sarah is walking. The door open. Prepositional phrases or adverbial phrases are often after an intransitive verb. Sarah is walking to the office. The door opens slowly. Common examples of intransitive verbs. कुठले verbs येतात? Arrive, die, fall, go, laugh, sleep, smile, and stay. Okay. So I am reading little bit faster, but you have to pay attention. Now, transitive verbs has a direct object. Jane is drinking a cup of tea. I have made a sandwich. Mark is playing football. This I think we have seen. So I'll go further. Some verbs can be transitive or intransitive with the same meaning. Transitive and intransitive. आता intransitive मध्ये बघा, the door open, आणि transitive मध्ये काय दिलंय? I open the door. तिकडे ऑब्जेक्ट आलाय. Jane is reading. इकडे intransitive आहे. आणि Jane is reading a book. ऑब्जेक्ट आला म्हणून transitive. The children are playing. आणि इथे काय आहे? Last night we played cards. So verb same, but some of the sentences are in the category of the transitive and some are intransitive. Same verb. Open तिकडे पण आहे, इकडे पण open आहे. Some verbs can be transitive or intransitive with the different meaning. Transitive and intransitive. Intransitive, Mark is sitting on a chair. तिकडे पण सिटिंग आहे. आणि ट्रान्झिटिव्ह, मार्क इज सिटिंग ॲन एक्झाम. आता तिकडे बघा मार्क्स फिजिकल पोझिशन आहे म्हणून तिकडे ऑब्जेक्ट नाहीये. आणि इकडे काय आहे, मार्क इज टेकिंग एक्झाम. सिटिंगचा अर्थ इकडे काय, तो परीक्षेला बसतो आहे. सिटिंग म्हणजे नुसता बसतो नाही तर पेपर लिहितो आहे. तर अर्थ कसा असतो त्याच्यानुसार ते ट्रान्झिटिव्ह आणि इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह ठरतं. ओके, सो when you now advice, when you learn a new verb, look in the dictionary. Example, run. बघा वर्ब तिकडे दिलाय आय म्हणजे काय, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह. त्याचा अर्थ काय, टू मूव्ह क्विकली फास्टर दॅन वॉकिंग. दिस इज द इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह यूज अँड मिनिंग. त्याचा अर्थ दिलेला आहे की जलद चालणे, जाणे आणि चालण्यापेक्षा जास्त गतीने. वी डू नॉट यूज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर दिस मिनिंग. यामध्ये डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आपण वापरत नाही. मार्क इज रनिंग म्हणजे तो धावतोय. आणि सेकंड मध्ये बघा वर्ब टी, टू मॅनेज समथिंग म्हणजे काहीतरी मॅनेज म्हणजे व्यवस्थापन करणे, टू ऑर्गनाइज समथिंग. दिस इज द ट्रान्झिटिव्ह यूज अँड मिनिंग. वी मस्ट यूज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर दिस मिनिंग. मार्क रन्स अ हॉटेल म्हणजे इकडे चालवतो. रन्स म्हणजे इकडे धावत नाही मार्क्स, तर तो एक हॉटेल चालवतोय, त्याचं व्यवस्थापन बघतोय, संघटन करतोय. म्हणून रन जरी असला तरी पहिल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये धावण्याचं आहे आणि दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी व्यवस्थापन. म्हणून सेकंड काय आहे, ट्रान्झिटिव्ह आहे. आणि फर्स्ट वाक्य मार्क इज रनिंग काय आहे, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह आहे. ओके, सो ask whom what to verb and if you get an answer the verb is transitive. हे आपण बघितलंच. स्लाइड पटापट तुम्हाला मी दाखवतो म्हणजे तुम्हाला नंतर त्याचा फायदा होईल. They played football. आता when you ask the question who, you will get the answer for the subject. They played is what, verb. And object is what, object football. So this is a transitive or intransitive?
Transitive.
Transitive.
Transitive, because there is a object is there. Okay, only one object. So now see, he loves pies. काय आहे, he loves pies. Okay, so second one. Now one by one I'll show you the picture. So everyone, the apes played hide and seek in the woods. So hide and seek is the object, so this is a transitive. Okay, now this is the apes played in the woods. There is no object, so this is the intransitive.
Intransitive.
जंगलामध्ये खेळतोय, मजा करतोय असा अर्थ आहे, तर तिकडे ऑब्जेक्ट नाही आहे. ओके, सो वी वॉक फॉर आवर्स. देर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट. फक्त तो तासभर खेळतोय, खेळतात आहे ती मुलं. देर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट. इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह. ओके, नाउ शीन सिंग्स इन द बाथ. व्हॉट म्हणजे तो काय करतोय, त्या बाथ मध्ये आंघोळ करतोय, पण काय त्याचं उत्तर दिलं नाही. म्हणून दिस वन इज ऑल्सो देर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह. ओके, सो only 1 or 2 minutes. Transitive verbs with two objects. His father gave him a watch. When you ask question what, you will get answer the a watch. What did his father give? Watch. Whom? त्याचं उत्तर आहे him. Second object काय आहे, him आहे. Okay, so this is the transitive with two objects. So he told me a secret. What? A secret is the object. Object 1. And whom? Me. That is the second object. Okay, secret म्हणजे काय? गुपित. Now, in the verb transitive or intransitive, he writes on the paper. There is no object. What? On the paper. Intransitive. Transitive or intransitive? The intransitive. So, all these examples will help you. Is the verb is transitive or intransitive? He writes a letter on the paper. हे पण intransitive. Same आलं ना परत. आता आपण बघूया. हा. He writes on the paper. Same it came. Sometimes I get confused. Okay, no problem. Both the sentences are the same. Okay, on the paper. The last one is left now. That is a verb can both be transitive and intransitive according to its use. जसं बघा eaten, मगाशी आपण run बघितलं होतं किंवा sitting बघितलं. I am sitting in the chair. I am sitting for exam. म्हणजे सिटिंग असलं तर एक परीक्षेला बसलो आणि एक फिजिकल. तसं I have eaten. In the first sentence there is no object, but here in the second sentence what did he eaten? Chocolate. That is the object. So second one is I have eaten my chocolate is a transitive verb. And first one it is a intransitive. Now see this last previous lesson, the same transitive and intransitive, that also you have to learn. And one more thing, this also you have to write. And there is a 2 minutes. Find the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentences. That will be your homework. Find the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentences. 2 minutes of oral work. Choose one word each from both from A and B and make as many sentences as possible with 2 minutes using both the words. Give, pay, me, you. म्हणजे ए कॅटेगरी मध्ये जे शब्द दिलेत आणि बी त्याचा तुम्हाला काय करायचंय? वाक्य बनवायचंय. कोण सांगेल बरं एखादं वाक्य? हॅलो.
गिव्हचं सांगू मी चैताली?
हा सांग बरं.
I give my sister a pen.
माय तिकडे नाहीच आहे, मी आहे. माय नाहीच आहे, मी आहे. बघा ए मधला आय गिव्ह, माय नाही, मी आहे. कोण?
तर मी धनश्री.
हा सांग बरं धनश्री.
He will give me his bat.
ओके, ही विल गिव्ह मी हिज. हिज कुठे आहे? हिज नाहीये ना दुसऱ्या बी मध्ये. कुठे आहे? हिज नाहीये बी मध्ये. आपल्याला बी मधला शब्द वापरायचा आहे आणि ए मधला. तू गिव्ह वापरला पण बी मधला त्याने काय म्हटलंय? चूज वन वर्ड इट बोथ फ्रॉम ए अँड बी. ए मधला तू निवडला. हा बरं कोण? हा
सर बी मधला मी वापरलाय मी.
हा बरोबर. वन्स अगेन रिपीट सेंटेन्स. आय कुडंट हिअर युअर व्हॉइस.
He will give me his bat.
ओके ओके व्हेरी गुड. हा नाव सेकंड कोण सांगेल?
मी सांगू भूमी?
हा सांग बरं.
You can pay me tomorrow.
You can
pay me tomorrow.
You can pay me tomorrow. Right. Okay. Any other one?
Sir, then
कोणाला सांगाय? Okay. So I think you understood, but you have to think, you have to choose one word from A and another word from the B group. So I hope that everyone you understood. I'll give now the homework because already time is crossing so much very fast. So that is what I am winding up my class. First one, that is a page number. Page number what? 106. What is that question? तो क्वेश्चन काय आहे? क्वेश्चन काय आहे?
Find the transitive and intransitive verb in
Find the
transitive
transitive
and
and
intransitive verb
transitive verbs in the following sentences. In the following sentences. Okay?
Sir, following ला G येतो.
हा जी येतो बरोबर. तो जी राहिला तिकडे माझा. जी आता मी या ठिकाणी ओके, कारण तिकडे आता मला तो ऍडजस्ट करण्यातच वेळ जाईल. सो आय अँड द सेकंड read all white board notes and what? That is the points, important points. ओके. आणि तुमचा काय करायचं आहे? सेंड होमवर्क. कुठे पाठवायचं आहे? पर्सनल वर कोणी सर्वांनी पाठवायचं आहे, कोणी पण ग्रुपवर पाठवायचं नाहीये. लक्षात आलं का? कारण काही जण काय करतात, ग्रुपमध्ये पाठवतात. ग्रुपमध्ये पाठवायचं नाहीये, तिकडे गर्दी होणार. ओके. सो आय होप दॅट एव्हरीवन यू अंडरस्टूड and everyone you have to copy all. सगळे जे आपण जे शिकलेलो आहे ते वाचायचंय, वहीमध्ये नीट लिहून काढायचंय. फक्त 5-7 मुलं अभ्यास करतात, बाकीचे लोक काही करत नाही. आणि उद्या जो धडा शिकवणार आहे पुढचा, जो फ्रॉम द सेल्फिश जायंट, हा सर्वांनी वाचायचा आहे. शब्द कठीण अर्थाचे सर्व थोडीशी रिव्हिजन करायची आहे, प्रॅक्टिस करायची, आणि मग लेसनला बसायचंय. ओके. सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच. I hope everyone you understood this topic very clearly, and if you practice, definitely you will understand better and better. See you tomorrow. Thank you.